Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Scale Up. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how you can turn on Facebook friend request if you have logged out your Facebook account from the Facebook. So you will get notification of friend request on Messenger as well. To do this, I will show you how you can do it. Open up your Messenger app and logged into your account that you are using on Facebook as well on the Messenger. So go to main menu and then go to settings, and then you will see over here bunch of options over here. So you can do is click on sounds and notification and scroll all the way up, and you will see over here more option over here. In this you will see the third option called Facebook friend request. So you have to do is click on that toggle to turn this on, and then you will get notification if you have logged out your Facebook account, and you will get notification on Messenger of your Facebook friend request on Messenger. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like my video, subscribe my channel Scale Up, and also drop me a comment for more tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.